Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, we are ever so happy to have back with us Hector Roots Lewis. Hector, welcome, sir.
It's good to see you. Man, blessed love. It's nice to be here again and with good friends, good company.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Them say outside again, so since we're outside again, I guess, you know, it's a good vibe.
You know,
but make we watch it still, you see it.
As you mentioned that we're outside again, we always wonder, right? Because we learn certain things in crisis and when things get rough. Is there anything you learned about yourself during the pandemic, the whole lockdown, everything?
Well, I learned that I love my yard.
Hey.
You know what I mean?
Hey.
And I also learned that I could definitely become more creative, hence this guitar in my hand became my new project.
Nice.
And you know, I think I now get why you know, Psalm 87 would say, you know, the players and singers of instruments shall be there.
Mm-hmm.
Player of instruments. I'm truly a player of instruments, not only percussion, not only the voice, but I now come with this instrument and walking into this new light. I feel like it does align through the Most High, learning this acoustic bass and singing.
You know,
the way I'm singing.
Jumping on the back of what you're saying, we know that you are such a talented, multifaceted individual. You're a talented musician, you're a vocalist that do several genres, which include Latin, African, compa, pop, bouillon, R&B, calypso. You've played for my jazz class a couple times as well.
Yeah.
Listen, but hold on a second, dancehall as well. What is your favorite genre?
Well, my favorite style of music is the at the time the music I am doing, that is how I look at the whole favorite style. Like, so if I'm playing compa right now, which is a Haitian style of music, which is very nice to dance to, then I'm favorite music at that time. You know
I love that. That's a real creative right there, though. Yeah.
Because you can't really chew it hard.
I'm hearing the song in the background. That's your brand new single, right? Let's Groove.
Right.
Okay. So tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, Let's Groove is just one of the reactions I had to the pandemic when it just started, and we're a vibrant people. You know, if we remember anything, our being able to have 3, 4, 5 parties a night, even if it's not announced, was our thing. So to see how the social distance concept came around and thing, it wasn't something that I was used to, so it's basically a story that I made up, saying that, yo, you know, I'm ready to do this, I'm ready to do that. But I can't right now, you know what I mean, because the place kind of not so free.
And look how it free up how we know, but I love the feel of it. It made me feel like grooving. So we're not going to hold you back, okay, because you have a performance for us, so we're going to step out of the way and let the light shine on you. Hector Roots Lewis, take it away.
Yeah, man.
Come and sit down,
Yes, Jamaica, good afternoon. My name is Hector Roots Lewis, and this is Daytime Live, and you don't know, we give thanks. We greet you in the name of the Most High, Jah Rastafari at all times. Love, peace, and honor, you know? Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Jamaica, yes. Oh gosh, I'm ready to dance and I'm ready to prance and I'm ready to enjoy myself. But I can't right now because the place did lock down and keeping our party would that be the best. Standing on a shop corner, I sight up a nice daughter, moving to the beat of the shop soundbox, and I ask her to dance with me. My baby, let's groove. Girl, you got me in the mood. Don't be shy. We could have just one night. Let's groove, oh yes. Girl, you got me in the mood. Oh, mood. Don't be shy. We could have just one night. Ooh yeah, berries. Selector, please put on some berry salmon and just make we whole a vibe. I know we just met and right now we are sweat, but the vibe feel very right. Cause nothing I wanna know, vibes never keep. Dung in a me and me did a quarantine. Wonder when the whole place will be free. I guess that day is March 18. Baby, let's groove. Girl, you got me in the mood. Don't be shy. We could have just one night. Let's groove. Girl, you got me in the mood. Oh, mood. Don't be shy. We could have just one night. Ooh, yeah. Don't forget all the niceness at the stage shows, the fun times we would have together when we were with our family. Let's groove, let's groove, let's groove, oh groove, my baby, let's groove. Girl, you got me in the mood. Don't be shy. We could have just one night. Oh yeah. Let's groove daytime. Girl, you got me in the mood. Oh, mood. Don't be shy. We could have just one night. Baseline.
Hey!
Hey!
Woo!
Hector, that was
Love it.
beautiful.
Love it.
That was beautiful. So how can we all find you on social media?
Yes, on social media, it's Hector Roots Lewis, Instagram, Hector Roots Lewis, Facebook, Roots Lewis, Twitter, and from all those platforms, you can find the other platforms that's attached to it, you know?
So we can follow the trail and find you either
Yeah,
way.
follow the trail. We have a music video to come out also. I just want to take the time to mention that we've released our first single, which is from a whole project concept called Ups and Downs, and that video is out, and I want you to check it out too. And just look out for I and I, man. You got tired for see my face.
No, we
Come
won't
on,
be.
we won't be tired.
We won't
But
be.
we
I
love the
won't be tired
sound.
to hear that voice
No, it's
either.
beautiful.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
Give thanks.
Thank you so
proud
much.
of you,
Thank you
Hector.
so much.
Enough love. So proud of you. Great job. Thank you for joining us today, Hector. We love that.
And thank you for joining us. Yeah, but we want you to remember a few things, right?
What? Firstly, we want to remember to check on your loved ones.
Yes.
That's the first thing, to support each other as a community.
Yes, no. That you've tuned in today, you have to come back on Tuesday. Then Wednesday, then Friday again.
But what's on Tuesday?
Tuesday, buzz,
Okay.
chat, vibe, mix, and we will be outside.
Outside. So don't forget, guys, please stay safe. Wash your hands, mask up. Why should I do that?
Yeah, because Corona's still a key.
Corona
But in the
still a
meantime, Hector is going to take us out. While
Move us out, Hector. Move us out.
Yeah, man. One,
Move us out.
two, oh yes, my baby, let's groove. Girl, you got me in the mood. Don't be shy. You could have just one night, yeah. Baby, let's groove. Girl, you got me in the mood. Oh,